Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a big announcement here. So ISRO is going to have a overview of geoprocessing using Python, and that free course is available from January 18 to January 29. And friends, this you will be also getting a certificate, and that certificate will be very much valuable because you must be knowing about ISRO. So friends, there will be a Python course which ISRO is going to schedule, and that courses will be from 18 January to 29 January. And friends, you minimum have to score 40% in the examination, and then you will be getting a certificate by ISRO, and that certificate will be very much valuable if you are going and applying for any job, or if you are putting that in resume, and even that certificate you can frame it and you can put at your home. So this is really a proud moment of getting certificate from ISRO, and in all job related opportunity this is going to play a very important role. So friends, here you can see online registration form and course browser. So friends, if you click on the course browser, then you can see here, okay, so the course fee, so there is no course fee for attending this program, so this is totally free. And award of certificate, so working professional, so if you are a student or if you are working professional, okay, so based on attendance, okay, 70% and 40% in the online examination. So basically, so friends, you have to score minimum 40% right in the online examination, and 70% attendance is required. So if there are total 10 classes, you need to attend 7 out of that. And friends, I'm telling you again and again, so because this involves Python and you are a engineering student, then this certificate is going to play a very important role. So when you put in resume that you have got a Python certificate from ISRO, it will really add lot of values. Now friends, the next question is, till when the registration will be there? So you can see this, there are limited number of seats. Registrations will be done on first come first serve basis. So as soon as you get to know about this, then friends, you need to apply it. Okay, do not delay any further. Okay friends, so who is the target participant? So the candidate who want to participate in the course should be a student of final year undergraduate course or postgraduate course, okay, any year. So friends, it is not mandatory that you should be a final year graduates, okay, because I mean undergraduate course. So if you're in second year and third year, then also you can apply for this courses, okay. And friends, technical scientific staff of central state government, faculty, researcher at university institutions are also eligible to apply for this course. So application of participant have to be duly sponsored by university institute and forwarded through coordinators from respective centers. Users receiving program under CEC, UGC, CIT network can also participate. Okay, so friends, do not worry. If you are second year, third year, final year, everybody will be able to apply. So there is, you will be able to get the chance for this courses. Now, friends, here you can see, so online registration form. So if we click on online registration forms, then you'll have to fill your details. So full name. So I will fill some of my details because you have to fill a lot of details. You have to upload your Aadhaar card number as well. Okay, and here I will put prateekkumar.125. Okay, now password. So you can create a password. So they have given one lowercase and one uppercase, one number, one special character, and then again retype your password so that it should not mismatch, and then enter displayed code. Okay, so CT3 S3. Okay, now, so and now friends, it's time to talk about the Online Study for You app. So friends, as you know, so all our new job notification, we are sending it through the Online Study for You app. So for all the job notifications, you will be getting a message on your mobile. So friends, if you have still not downloaded, please download it, because I don't want you to miss any kind of job opportunity, friends. And all the job opportunities sending through the message, because every time you cannot open YouTube and watch the videos. So if you have the app, then you will be getting a notification that, okay, so this job recruitment is there, this free certification courses is there. So friends, do not miss this opportunity and get this app today itself. And even, till 4th of February, we have increased the 75% discount as well. So friends, do not miss this opportunity. The job notification is very, very important for the job seeker for any year graduate 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 pass out. So friends, please get the app and ready for the notification of all the jobs. And we have already uploaded the free Wipro NLTH PDF material and then TCS PDF material. So all those things has been already uploaded, friends. Okay, thank you, friends. So if you have not still subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe so that you don't miss any update. And definitely app today itself you download so that all the notifications should come to your mobile app in terms of notification and message. Thank you, friends. Now, friends, your registration is successful. Please activate your account. Please check your mail and click on the provided link to activate the account. So now you have to go to your email and then you have to see, please confirm your email address by clicking this link. So activate your account, friends. So once you click on that, then again you will be coming here, right? So congratulations, your account has been activated. Now you have to select the course name. Okay, so there are two courses are there. Overview of geoprocessing using Python. So I will ask everyone to select that, because being an engineering graduate, Python will definitely help you in your selection. Mode of registration, so individual registration. Okay, now prerequisite for the selected courses. So basic qualification, so you are an undergraduate. Okay, right? Okay, then friends, basic knowledge on Python. So if you do not have any basic knowledge on Python also, no problem. And if you have, it is well and good. Okay, so minimum professional experience. So if you have any experience, you can put, otherwise you can select, right? Okay, how the courses content of this course will be useful for the professional career. So you can skip this. So no need of filling that. And then you have to click on next. Okay, now, so again, friends, please use Unicode for using in Hindi. Hindi में type करने के लिए Unicode का इस्तेमाल करें. But you are going to, put in English. Okay, now, so father's name. So you need to fill your father's name here. So friends, I'll be filling all my personal details in front of you guys because I have a lot of trust in you. Okay, and then mobile number. So I'll fill mobile number 80884527760. Country is nothing but India. Okay, and pin code. So few of the details, friends, I will only fill. And then you need to fill some of the details because your Aadhaar card and all I cannot upload. And full name again. Okay, so Pratik Kumar. Okay, so filling in Hindi is not mandatory. Date of birth. So you can fill your date of birth. Do not copy paste my date of birth. Okay, so and then November 21st. Okay, and then nationality, friends, definitely Indian. So we are proud to be an Indian. And then Bangalore. So Bangalore ISR office is there, and state is obviously Karnataka. Okay, fine. Now save and continue. So this will be also completed. Okay, now highest qualification, friends. So highest qualification, if you have 10 plus 2, see all these details has been given. So that is the reason I was telling you. So you can fill these things. Okay, major subject. So this is not mandatory, but anyway, I will fill it. Electronics and communication engineering, and board university. So it was VTU, and year of passing. So your college details you can put, friends. So this anyway, this is not a mandatory one. Okay, so this is 2012. Okay, and then save and continue. So this is also done. Now professional and document details. So friends, professional and document details. So employment status. So working professional. Okay, so central government. Okay, so private sectors. Okay, so designation. So software. Okay, software engineer. Okay, so you can put according to yourself. So friends, there is nothing like you have to put all these details, right? Okay, and then upload photo, and then identification proof, and then identification proof document. Okay, so anything you can put it here. So you can select Aadhaar card. Okay, and then you can let me see. So if I have any Aadhaar card here or not. So yes, so this should be my Aadhaar card, then it is fine. Otherwise, yeah. So because I wanted to give you the complete information, yes, this is my Aadhaar card itself. So let me put the Aadhaar card from here. Okay, fine. So choose file. Okay, anyway, photo I will not be having, but yes, Aadhaar card I will be having. So I can put Aadhaar card, and then photo I'll have to search it. Okay, So this is, put some good photo, friends. Do not put some and the other photos. Okay. And now I will put my Aadhaar card details. Okay. So once, yes, so I'll put my Aadhaar card details, then it will be done. Okay. And you have to upload your photos. That's all. Save and continue. And then definitely you'll be getting a mail, and then you will be able to attend this program. Okay. So friends, as I said, this is very much beneficial. So each and everyone should use that. Okay. And friends, now